so today, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a cake, but this cake is gonna be the Republic of Texas flag cake. Because it's Texas Independence Day cake.
Yeah, for us.
Yes, for us. Yeah. But you want to know why it's important to celebrate Texas Independence Day?
Yeah, I'm going to make it white.
You're going to make the cake white, yes. But today...
All the green. Today...
Yes. Today we're going to be celebrating Texas Independence Day because it's when Republic of Texas got its independence from Mexico. And the flag that we're going to do, that we're going to decorate after the cake is made, is going to be the Republic of Texas flag that was made by Lorenzo De Zavala. Yeah! Are you excited? Did you know that there's a song that belongs, that's part of the Texas Revolution? And it's called Will You Come to the Bow? It's an awesome song.
Yeah, you can cut this, and I'm going to put it by myself.
Yeah, it was originally written in 1836. And the troops marched to the song at the Battle of San Jacinto. And they call this the national song of the Republic of Texas.
I'll do it.
Okay. It was dedicated to General Houston and the brave companions in the arms of Edwin Merrick. 3 eggs. Yeah. Oopsie. It's okay. We'll get a napkin later and we'll wash off. Yeah, and then after that we put... It says to use a cup of water, but we use milk. Yeah. Yeah, we use milk. It makes it more yummy. And then we use a 1/3 cup of oil.
And we mix it.
And then we mix it with our whisk. But yeah. You know there's music for this? Sheet music? Texan Grand March for the pianoforte. Yeah. You like Texas? Good.
And now...
Yeah, that's where we live. You remember the Alamo? You've been there a couple of times already.
When I was a baby.
Yeah, when you were a baby. And you loved going there.
When I was 5.
Oh, when you were 5? How old are you now?
3.
You're 3, yes. Oh, okay. I'm recording right now. We are recording this part right here because we're gonna tell everybody else about the song that we're playing on YouTube. But after the cake is done, right now we have the oven preheating at 350. Okay? And once this is done mixing, we can put it in our pan.
Okay, well, my turn.
Okay, now you can do it? Okay. And another song that we can also listen to on Independence Day, of course, deep in the heart of Texas.
Like a flower.
Like a flower, looks like a flower.
The stars at night are big and bright. Deep in
The heart of Texas.
the prairie sky is wide and high. Deep in the heart of Texas, the sage and blue is like perfume. Deep in the heart of Texas. Reminds me of the one I love. Deep in the heart of Texas.
You go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going to turn right.
Your trail
Yeah.
along the trail.
So how many eggs do we use? 3?
3 eggs.
1 cup of milk. We substituted for water.
Deep in the heart of Texas.
And then oil. 1/3 cup of oil. We're making a white cake.
Gonna be ours.
And then we're gonna decorate it blue. And then we're gonna make a big star in the middle.
And the Texas on it.
Yeah, it's gonna have Texas on it. Yeah.
Everyone, one color.
One color for what?
For the frosting.
Yeah, but that's after the fact. Alrighty. Let me get some paper here and then we can put it in the pan.
Okay.
Because we are ready.
It's ready to put in there.
Yes. Now we're ready to put it in here.
It's going to stick.
Yeah, we put this so it doesn't stick. Well, that's for the frosting.
Frosting? Sure. This is open for you.
Yes, but you might spill some, so it's best to just leave it as is, okay? Now our cake is ready to put in the oven. You ready? Okay. Okay. So there's one more song that I want to play while we decorate a cake. It's called Yellow Rose of Texas.
Little Rosa?
Yes, it was published in 1858. Alright, so we're gonna decorate our cake blue. We're gonna cover it in blue first. It's kind of hard to do it this way. You hear the drums?
Blueberry flavor.
Oh, it's blueberry flavor? Blueberries are blue, yeah. That reminds me, you know that blue bonnets is a state flower? Famous in Texas.
Supposed to be the flag. Who's supposed to be the flag?
Yeah. Yellow Rose of Texas. Can you spread it? But don't press it too much. Very lightly. There you go. Okay, this is called the Yellow Rose of Texas. It was published in 1858 and it's a folk song. You hear the drums and the marching band. Let me do the edges really quick, okay?
Frosting that.
Pardon, I can't see. There you go. Thank you. Gotta make sure we cover it all. It's gonna be such a beautiful cake.
Maybe the rainbow. Enter.
Hold on, let me just get this part over. It's kind of hard to get this part.
It's blueberry flavor. There's enough for other people good. And the RV too. There's enough for the RV too.
Oh, okay.
Ah! frosting bag.
1 second.
Okay. 1 second.
This is kind of hard. I messed it up in this part right here. It's okay.
Now can you do a white frosting now?
Huh?
Can I do it now?
Do what?
A frosting.
The white frosting?
Mm-hmm.
This has to be smooth on the top. See? Smooth.
You can do it.
And do left to right. Oopsie. Be careful.
I got it.
Okay, be careful. You do left to right. Let's start from over here. There you
I
go.
do it by myself.
Okay. And then
Yes.
you press on it like this. Not so much. There you go.
That way. Yeah.
There you go.
Now can I do white frosting now?
Yes, now we can do the white frosting.
Gimme.
Let me do this the star for you first, and then we
Okay.
can go ahead and
Put on this side here. That's your flag.
okay, now that we have our star, we are going to write Texas. Okay, but I'll write it.
Okay.
T
E
E
E
X.
X
Sorry. A. S. There you go, and we're all done. That's our Republic of Texas flag cake. You did awesome. We went over some great music, history, and Independence Day for Texas.
And it's missing something.
I need sprinkles.
Yes.
Okay, I guess you can add some sprinkles.
Okay.
Yeah!